Good morning, students. It's your chemistry class today. We are going to start chapter 3, metals and non-metals. Today we will do introduction to metals, physical properties of metals and reactivity series of metals. By the end of this topic, you will be able to define metals, observe physical properties of metals, and you will easily understand reactivity of metals based on activity series. First, introduction to metals. Here you can see we have number of elements, and in first picture you can see we have number of material that are made up of different kind of metals. So what are metals? Metals. A metal is a material, or we can say an element or compound or alloy that is typically hard, opaque, shiny and has good electrical and thermal conductivity. मेटल एक ऐसा मटेरियल है जो हार्ड है, ओपेक है. ओपेक मीन्स जिसके आर पार नहीं देखा जा सकता. शाइन करता है. गुड इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टिविटी मीन्स दे अलाउ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी टू पास थ्रू देम. थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी दे अलाउ heat to pass through them easily. So some metals are generally soft and can cut with knife, that is sodium. Only one metal is liquid at room temperature, that is mercury, and we use mercury in the clinical thermometer. So we till the date we know total 118 elements are discovered, and out of them 91 are metals. Some elements appear in both metallic and non-metallic form. For example, gold, silver, iron, copper, etc. Next, physical properties of metals. Here we have some physical properties. These are lustrous, ductility, density, conductor of heat and electricity, sonorous, melting and boiling point, and malleability. So let's start with lustrous. Metals have luster. Luster means they are shiny. Luster means shiny in nature. So all the metals are shiny in nature. They have their own luster. For example, gold. As you know, we wear number of we wear ornaments that are made up of gold, silver, and these are shiny in nature. Second, ductility. Metals are ductile and we can drawn into thin wires. We can see that in our surrounding or at our home we can see the wiring that is made up of copper. So we can see that metals are ductile. These can be drawn into thin wire. Next, density. Metals have high density. Due to high density, the things made from metal are heavy. For example, iron, copper. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. As I told you before, metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. They allow electricity and heat to pass through them easily. For example, copper, silver, aluminium. We use utensils made up of aluminium at home, and we can see that they easily allow heat to pass through them. Next, sonorous. Metals are sonorous. When they strike with anything, when they strike with hard object, they produce sound. Next, melting and boiling point. Metals have high melting and boiling point. For example, we need 1535 degrees Celsius temperature to melt iron. Malleability. Metals are malleable. We can beat with hammer. We can beat them with hammer to convert them into thin sheets. For example, iron, copper, aluminium. The main example is aluminium foil. We use it to wrap our food. Next, reactivity series of metal. What is reactivity series of metals? It is a series which arranges metals in the decreasing order of reactivity. Means we arrange the metal first highly reactive metal, and as we move down the group, their reactivity decreases. Here we have the reactivity series. First we have most reactive metal, that is potassium. Last we have least reactive metal, that is gold. And you have to, student, you have to learn these metals as it is in this order. And for that I have given you quote here, and that quote is, please send Charlie's monkeys, zebras into lovely happy cages securely guarded. You can see P means potassium, S means sodium, Charlie C calcium, monkey M magnesium, zebra Z zinc, into I iron, lovely L lead, happy H hydrogen, C cages copper, securely S silver, guarded gold. Now this is your homework. You have to find answer of these questions. You have to write answer in your notebook, and also you have to read page number 37 to 39 of your NCERT book for your better understanding. Thank you.